Okay, so that's the main file of an application for the virtual assistant Angel. So that's the libraries. Here, all the libraries I use, and that's the keys for ChatGPT. That's for Chrome on Path. That's for the app of Going Client. Okay, so down here is the get angel. That's the something like a function where it has all the if statement for for the queries of the users. All the way down. So all the queries about database, all the queries about all the commands for the user to see record, insert, delete students, because I'm a martial art teacher, and then also I use the application to add and add, update and delete students on a database. Like this, I have a track of my students. It has so many options here, so many commands. Like I can check the student's email. I can check how many students I have. I can update the emails. So down here, if I want to get information about anything online on a wiki page, I can extract things from the wiki page, and before I can make sure if I ask the right query. So here, if I wanna something like take the virtual application offline, so I use the command axt to ask the application. It's just a little if else. I can do that. And then if I want to open YouTube, I can open with a web browser. That's the library on Python I can use. So again, I use a web browser to find to search things on Google, things that I wanna see on Google, and also YouTube. I can use a web browser and YouTube to look for things for myself on YouTube, and searching things on YouTube instead on Google. I like to do research sometimes, and Stack Overflow. So like this, I can get contents, or if I'm stuck, I see things on Stack Overflow. Locations. See what the data is. Use the data time and data today to do it. It's not complicated, but it's a lot of work. That here is to have to find a Bitcoin prediction, and see the how they say here, the high price, no, the close price, the price of the day, and then the high price is gonna be on a day, and then also the low price on a day, and then the percentage, how much, the probability how much this can gonna close on a day. This has been helping me so much on my trade strategy, as I try to trade bitcoins on a day. I'm a day trader. So here I can set alarm, and down there to find what's the weather, what's the weather gonna be in London, what's the weather gonna be in any country on a planet. We say any big capital, because sometimes I want to find how's the weather back at home in Rio de Janeiro, how the weather gonna be in Paris, and down there, I can shoot down the computer, and then I use the OS. That's another library, and then the system to shoot down, and then to verify if yes or no. That's what I do here. OS is another library on Python, can facilitate a live. And then to lock the computer, I use sit up. That's another library also. I can lock the screen of the computer. So and just on a command, and here I use orthogon to do all the addition, multiplication, any mathematical operation I do over here, and use the library of orthogon to do it. That's just to remember my name, and here to take a picture, to take a selfie of myself down there. He is make a message. If I want to send a voice message, I can send a voice message using Tulio. And down here, if we say sometimes don't understand me, or else is the commands not in place, I use ChatGPT on that function OP to get a requestion, to try to get the requestion and ChatGPT. That's the main program I'm gonna run. Hey, where it is? There we go. So here I use it. TKT is another library in Python to create the graphic for the user. That's the function here. That's the root. That's the name, and then I use the pictures to do that, and then it has the button down here, because in the moment I don't use the face recognition, because I try to just to do the presentation for the program. But here I use face recognition in case I want to just myself use the application. Only me I can run, because I made the fish is a kind of, I give him a picture, and the application gonna take different ways of picture of myself and compare with the picture I say for the person authorized. That times myself is a picture of Leone Gown here. And on a go, if the camera recognizes me, we say if the facial recognition application recognizes me, gonna allow me to use the application, where I was gonna deny and X the application. So I can undo it. So that is the file to have the notes. So now I have just one note here, but I can do the notes with Angel, a voice notes, and she's gonna write the notes and also the date of the note was doing. and another file send SMS is where I can send a message using my WhatsApp. Here is the next. That's where it has all the functions to do what I want to do on the main file. There also is the functions I create to insert, record, read the data all, delete, update, select numbers of the database. Here is the tables of the database. So let me just run the application quick and make some queries, and then also I'm gonna run the application as I have the face recognition, because it takes more time to load the application anyway.
Hi Leo, welcome back.
So that time I unlock Angel with a face recognition, the function to allow me, let's say, deny the functions here. Oh, that's gonna be the function gonna be used to deny the access, and that's the function to grant the access to the welcome function. You can say, hey Leo, come back. The code to face recognition is that one. Is stuff that is made by the CV2 is a library in Python. It's an AI library in Python that do that job. So that's the picture of that's my picture gonna be authenticated. The picture is here. That's my picture, Leonardo GPG. It's gonna be authorized. It that I can use in case I'm not there. I'm gonna be denied. Good morning, Angel.
Good morning. How can I assist you today? Ready.
Angel, what time is it?
The time is 09 hours and 48 minutes. Ready.
What day is today, Angel?
Today is Saturday. Ready.
Angel, Bitcoin prediction.
The actual price is 60,017.2390886975. The close price of Bitcoin will be 60,588.73272913. The percentage to close in that price is 0.997945003912737. The highest price in the day will be 61,750.31133311. The lower price in the day will be 59,230.10503457. Ready.
Angel, tell me more about the human beings.
Human beings are a highly intelligent and social species that belong to the biological family Hominidae. They are also known as Homo sapiens and are known for their advanced cognitive abilities, complex social structures, and diverse cultures. Humans are characterized by their bipedal locomotion, opposable thumbs, and large brains relative to body size. They have the ability to communicate using complex language, create and use tools, and engage in abstract thought. Human beings have a wide range of emotions, beliefs. Ready.
Angel, how is the weather in London?
That is the city correct name. London. Listening.
Yes, please.
Recognizing. User said, yes please. Overcast clouds. With temperature 13 Celsius. Ready.
Angel, how is the weather in New York?
That is the city correct name. New York. Listening.
Yes, please.
Recognizing. User said, yes please. Clear sky. With temperature 18 Celsius. Ready.
Angel, Bitcoin news.
Index $22. Tether becomes property in the UK. What does this mean for crypto? Odds of 50 bps Fed rate cut surge as Bitcoin remains stable at $58k. Cryptocurrency prices on the 13th of September. Bitcoin holds steady near $58,000. Altcoins trade mixed. ICP hosts Chain Fusion Hub at Token 2049, leading discussions on AI, Web3 and interoperability. Hotel Bitcoin, Como mantém la.
Angel, volume up.
Ready.
Angel, volume down.
Ready.
Angel, offline.
Going offline.
Angel, take a photo.
What is your name, please?
Sapaha.
Captured picture is stored in camera folder. Ready.
Angel, lock computer.
Lock computer.